What's up guys, Ryan here. Today we're going to be switching up my brother's headlights and fog lights for his 2005 Mustang GT. These are the fog lights and this is the headlights. These are some of the tools you might need. Socket, it's a 10mm. You have to take out this bolt and this one so the headlight can come out. And from both sides, and for the fog lights you have to take this little piece out. Take all these little clips out from it. You might need this little pointy thing. After you've taken out all the bolts and there's little clips on the thing, what you want to do is just take these off. Comes right off, and just put it to the side. After that, you can either start on the fog lights or the headlights. We're both going to start on the headlights. Alright guys, so we ran into a little problem. There's another bolt back there, so we're going to have to take out the whole bumper, which is going to be easier to put the fog lights and the headlights. So what you want to do is come right here in front of the wheels on both sides. There's little bolts, as you can see right there. They're all gonna be 7mm bolts, and just take them out. So you have done taking these small bolts out. You need to open this, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's 2 bolts. That's one of them. The other one's behind. You need to take those out. They should be 7mm as well. I'll let you know if there's something. It's on both sides. My brother's doing the other side. A little tip might help you is if you turn the tires. For example, if you're trying to get this bolts, turn the tires that way. If you're trying to get these bolts, turn the tires the other way. So like they are right now, is for these bolts right here. Or you can see them. After that, you're gonna need someone's help probably, or you can do it by yourself. I'll show you. Come right off. You just have to pull it down from it on both sides, and it should come off. After that, just unplug the fog lights. The bumper just came right off. I forgot to tell you to get this little. Comes out off right here. It's on this little hole, just on both sides, and it should come right off. After that, you just disconnect the fog lights, twist, and they come out on everything. The headlights are going to be still there. The fog lights just come right off. The headlights are going to be still there because there's a little bolt right there you have to take out, and they should come off right off on both sides. Forgot to tell you guys, there's that bolt and also this one. They're both at the bottom of it. Take both out and it should come off right off. To take the headlight bulbs out, you grab this little clip. You press down on it and it should come out right off. And the new ones, the LED ones, just pop right in on the other ones. You just do that to both sides and that should be it. Yeah, but you just take this one out, it's just a plug and play for the headlights. Boom. After you have it at least one put on, you make sure you turn on the car so you know they're correctly. At least not turn it on, just put the ignition key on. Make sure you've done it right, so you won't have to. See how bright these are. Woo! They're bright. Yeah, they work. So just plug and play for everything. And same for the headlights, just take out this little clip. I'll show you though. For the headlights, just do that and it should come out right off. I'll show you how to do the headlight, how to do the fog lights, then how everything went. Put it back together and see how it looks. Alright guys, after you have put all the bulbs in, already put the headlights back in. But after you put all the bulbs in, you put the bumper back on. Make sure you put these little things on both sides. make sure you put both of those in here, because when I did it to my car, the bumper looked crooked, so make sure you put them there. And these holes go right here, these two. Make sure you do that, and it should be pretty good. After that you've put it on, make sure these are lined up really good. And after they just put all the bolts back on. Alright guys, the whole bumper and everything's back on. Looks pretty nice. Brother's about to turn on the lights.
Whole car?
Yeah, the whole lights. Everything. As you can see, they look good. Woo, I think they look badass. What do you think, Randy?
Pretty good turnout.
10 out of 10? Look at that idle, boys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, see more content, and peace.